Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn chapter 4, Algorithmic Strategy, part 8. Content of the session is Insertion Sorting Algorithm. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm. It works by taking elements from the list one by one and inserting them in their correct position into a new sorted list. This algorithm builds the final sorted array at the end. This algorithm uses n-1 number of passes to get the final sorted list as per the previous algorithm as we have discussed. We'll see the steps. If it is the first element, it is already sorted. Pick next element. Compare with all elements in the sorted sublist. Shift all the elements in the sorted sublist that is greater than the value to be sorted. Insert the value. Repeat until list is sorted. If you see the example, you will easily understand these lines. Consider the array 44, 16, 83, 7, 67, 21, 34, 45, 10. Now we'll see the procedure how to do insertion sort. Now the first element is taken as sorted array and other elements are treated as unsorted. Pick the next element, compare with all elements in the sorted sublist. Now it is having only one element, that is 44, and it is 16. As 44 is greater than 16, swap the element. So now it is 16 and 44. Pick the next element. Compare with all elements in the sorted sublist. Shift all the elements in the sorted sublist that is greater than the value to be sorted. That means I have to compare this 83 and I have to confirm the position where it should be inserted in the sorted area. Take one element from the unsorted area and keep the correct position in the sorted array list. That is the procedure. Here it is 83. As 83 is greater than 44 and 16, so no need of swapping, just to move to the next element. This 83 is compared with the 44 and 83 is compared with the 16, no swap. So pick the next element, that is 7. Guess what it should do means this 7, it should come after 16. It will compare with 83 and 44 and it placed in 7. Sorry, 7 it should come with the first position. See the procedure how it is moving. So 7 is taken from this position, 83 is moved, 44 is moved, 16 is moved, and 7 is placed in the first position. Likewise, it has to move to the next element of 67 and it should be placed in the correct position. Take the next element 67 and 44. Because it is between 44 and 83, so it is inserted here. As each element is inserted in the correct location, it is coming under the name of insertion sort. Take the next element 21, 83, 67, 44. It is placed here. Is it clear, children? Next, take the element 34. It should be inserted where? After 21. So in this position of 44. So 83, 67, 44 is moved. In this position, 34 is inserted. Next, 45. So 83, 67, next 45 is inserted. Next element is 10. This 10 should be next to 7. 83, 67, 45, 44, 34, 21, 16. Now 10 is inserted in this place. Is it clear, children? Finally, all the values are sorted. So this is the given list and this is the output of sorted list using insertion sorting algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel to watch the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.